EKIAMA kia ODM nigo kiaruro kuboria gochia EKIAMA kia UDA ase Enywomo yabo ya gesiasa KOENANA AMASIKANI gochia EKIAMA kia ODM ase bairere buna chinkwana nchire chiabere chikobwatuko n'abaraya banene EKIAMA kia UDA ekio kitari chindonge chinga kechibo igo nigo baruro kuboria gochia ase babwatani EKIAMA ekio koba abatwereru na kubwatarana erikogendereria emeroberio y'EKIAMA abo bonde bwensi botayo.
We urge our party members in the areas where grassroots elections have not been concluded to exhaust the relevant internal disputes resolution mechanisms to reach an agreeable conclusion that will see the exercise completed so as we can all get on the journey of building our party as we head into election year. 2, as part of the activation program, we shall be embarking on countrywide tours for a series of youth conventions aimed at rejuvenating, revamping, and re-energizing the party. These activities will be held in 25 counties. We shall announce the other counties in due course. 3, our members and supporters should remain focused, steadfast, and continue keeping the fire of the party burning. We believe in the spirit of unity and togetherness, and we shall continue consulting with party members on the best ways to make our party bigger and greater. We want to assure our members and supporters that in the build-up to the general election, we shall conduct free and fair nominations, and there will be no sacred cows for any position sought. The National Secretariat shall soon be opening a portal for members to apply for all elective positions. 4, our relationship with our broad-based partners, UDA, the Central Committee noted with concern. UDA Party. The Central Committee noted with concern the goings-on and the unwarranted public utterances by some senior officials of the UDA Party aimed at causing anxiety and disquiet among our members. As a party that believes in its principles, ideology, and the foundation on which it was founded, we demand respect from the UDA Party. 5, Kenyans are concerned about the increase in fuel prices. We know this is a global problem. While noting the government's efforts to mitigate the situation, we continue to push it to do more to cushion Kenyans from effects of the crisis.